This is a shotgun battle between Renegade and it's Mr. Brown. Point goes to Brown. I'm rooting for Brown, so. They got a minute on this small ass map.
What do we got? Brendan playing a classic bear.
And that, my friends, is Deathstalker.
And Renegade playing a Beast Rider.
They got. Oh yeah, they said no Athos. I thought they meant no pre-Athos. Ooh. And Renegade is host. So he was bitching about how Brown was only killing him because he had host. But the match is still young. But the match isn't over yet. It's like some cowboy match that can start off with shotguns now. Ring around the rosy. They're moving too fast for my hand to keep up. And there you have it again, 3-0 in under 2 minutes. Yeah. Sorry if my voice is annoying, but I do this a lot. Really? I could have sworn it was a shotgun battle, but I could be mistaken. Renegade wanted to be a pussy. Yup. Boo. I'm biased, but shit, fuck it. I'm a fucking biased black nigga. I don't care. Come on, bro. 3-1. Go ahead and get 2 kills to give him the GG no re of the lifetime. This is about to be a gay standoff. Ooh, headshot. He says that to the guy who shot a lancer at him for like 3 seconds or a split second, and then run, and then try to. He runs away, and then you chase him. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Brown versus Renegade shotgun battle. 5-1. GG no re. That's best out of 5. I guess they're going to 7. I don't know. It just adds humiliation to it. I should stop recording right here. But nah, it's up to Tell Me Renegade. Would bitch and complain about something. As anybody would. 6-1. Come on. 21 seconds left to spare.
It ain't going your way, is it, Renegade? A little tip. Don't rush at him.
Oh, he's whining. He bitches. In Gears of War 2, he bitch because you didn't wall bounce it the way he did, or you hardly wall bounce at all.
Right now, he's beating you.
Yes.
He's eager to get it over with. He's going to rush at you.
Psychological warfare provided by Deathstalker.
See, he wants you to rush, because if you rush, he just won't gun you down.
6-2.
Or you can play it your own way. I mean, that's how I play.
My friends have their own little way of playing, I guess. This battle's taking too damn long. Hurry up, Brandon. You have to... If that was Gears of War 1, that would be a GG. I mean, a DC don't count, doesn't count bullshit. To me, it's 6-2. They probably not playing it like how me and my friends did in Gears of War 1, so it's 6-3. Knowing that, I would beat his ass. Beat his ass, Brandon. Beat his ass! Whoa, in under 7 minutes. That is Brandon 7-1. Well, 7-3, in my opinion, 7-2. He got 5-1 anyway, so GG no re. Deuces. I am Pop Shot Artist, giving you the best iPhone capture quality in the entire state of my state. I'm not about to tell y'all where I live. Anyway, yep, good match, blah, 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 blah. That was bullshit.